is Amy McCafferty, and I want to welcome you to our newest listing at 156 Highland Avenue, located in Los Gatos. This spectacular property was built 25 years ago by the current owners. We are sitting on 3 gorgeous acres, enjoying views of the Silicon Valley and beyond. We're just a few minutes away from downtown Los Gatos, but you'd never know it. It's so quiet and peaceful here. I feel like I'm showing a romantic Italian villa. With 5 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms. Every bedroom is an ensuite, plus there's a dedicated executive office. Multiple sets of French doors open to the spacious loggias and patios for the ultimate in indoor and outdoor living. There's also a detached guest house with full kitchen and bath. Wine connoisseurs will enjoy the 1,200 plus bottle wine cellar and a mature Cabernet or Pinot grape vineyard on the lower grounds. This is a rare opportunity. Own such a special property close to the vibrancy of city life, but yet you feel like you're worlds away. It's hard to leave. I look forward to scheduling a private showing. Until next time. This estate is truly one of a kind.